Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a super long time since last time I filmed. Life has been absolutely insane and I will be filming an update video for you guys soon, but I did want to get on here and film a quick little video for you guys right now. I just got home, I just checked my mailbox and I had not one but two packages waiting for me. So the first one I have is from Ipsy. We're well aware it is a $10 a month subscription service where you can get 4 to 5, sometimes 6 deluxe full-size, sample size makeup, skincare, hair care products. So I'm going to share that with you. And I just got a text from my friend Caitlin. Speaking about her, she is also subscribed to Ipsy. She lives in California, same as I do, but she always gets her Ipsy bag at least a week before I do, which is crazy. So she's already got hers a long time ago. Mine just came today. I'm excited to see what's inside. And then I also have a box from Influenster. Influenster is a company where you go on, you create an account, and you get to review a bunch of products, and they'll match you up with some products that might work for you. You take a quiz, and if it matches up with your interests and things that you've reviewed, then they sometimes send you boxes of products for you to further review and test out for them. It's completely free. I will have a link for this as well as for Ipsy down below, and I will also link some playlists for my Ipsy unbaggings and my Influencer unboxings. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with Ipsy. And I know this month you could have received one of 3 different bag designs. Oh, and I have a product in here I redeemed points for. And this is it. It's so tiny. This is the Vacay Skin Nutrient Boost Eye Serum, and this cost me like 500 points. It's really small. This is what it looks like. I will definitely test it out. I got it because I love eye treatments, eye serums, eye creams, but I was not expecting it to be this size. So, oh, and it feels like it's actually leaking a little bit. So I'm gonna put that down. Moving on into the bag, I got a smashed product down here. So the first thing I have is out of the bag, and I have 2 sheet masks. I have one which looks like this and one which was shoved in there and smashed by everything else. So these are the same is the brand. This is the Natural Tox Apple Sheet Mask, this one right here, and this is the Natural Acai Berry mask sheet. So I received both of those. Those count as one product, and then I received probably 4 other products in the bag. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is what the bag looks like. It's different shades of red and pink. It has a heart-shaped zipper pull on it, and I could have received a yellow, a blue, or this color. And this is what the card looks like this month. The theme is flying colors, and it says that Ipsy Pride Month is about so much more than sexuality. It's about unique beauty, self-expression, and inspiring everyone to be completely themselves without fear of judgment. That's why we're highlighting 7 LGBTQ creators who know that what makes them different is also what makes them beautiful. But that's just the beginning. There's still so much work to do to educate the world on love, acceptance, and tolerance. Together we're making strides every day. And the hashtag is Ipsy Flying Colors. The first thing that I have in my bag is a brush from Luxie, and this is the Luxie 245 Small Shader Brush. I love Luxie brushes. I have a ton of them. This is one that I do not have, so I'm super excited about that. Next up I have from Makeup Forever. I've tried this before. It's a Step 1 Skin Equalizer Base Hydrant or Hydrating Primer. I've tried this before and I do really like it. Next up I have, this is from K Voss. It's a macaroon lip balm. It's a potted lip balm. It smells really nice. That's all it looks like. It's just a little potted lip balm. That'll be nice to use. I love lip products. And then the last thing that I received in my bag is a beat up nail polish box. This is from Pretty Woman. It's a nail polish, and it doesn't say which shade it is on the box or on the bottle, but it is a very pale nude shade. And I've actually gone like a month and a half, 2 months without wearing nail polish, but I do really like that color. So that is everything that I received in this month's Ipsy bag. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my Influenster box. So this is the Vacay box. It's this little card here, and the back tells me everything that's inside. Opening it up, it's just got some tissue paper. I'm gonna take that off. And then we have from Ava NYC, there's a coupon. And then I have a coupon for free bag of Sour Patch Kids Fire or Freeze candy. That's pretty cool. Oh, almost dropped it. I have no idea what this is. I guess it sticks on the back of your phone and it holds like credit cards and things like that. But it says new Sour Patch Kids Fire and Freeze. And then it's got a sticky adhesive on the back. I have from Kiss, I have blowout lashes. These are in the style Page Boy, and these are definitely feathered. Like I can see the different layers of them. They're really pretty. So I'm excited to try those out. Oh, I love this. I have this right now. Actually, I've been using it every day. This is the Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer from Ava NYC. Oh, I love this too. I love Ava NYC products. This is the Clean It Up shampoo. And then I have an Invisibobble, which is a traceless hair ring, which looks like this. And that is everything that I received in this box. Again, all these things from Influenster, they're absolutely free. It's complimentary. Thank you so much, Influenster and Ollie Brands. I'm excited to review these products for you guys. Thank you so much for sending it to me. My Ipsy bag, I am pretty happy with the products in it. A little upset about the beat up face mask, but it should still work fine. And then my tiny little sample. I've been having bad luck with the point system lately. So once again, that is everything that I received. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Keep your eyes open for future videos, and especially that update video that I promise will be coming soon. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye guys.